So the turbo's on. We've been driving it for a weekish or so, and I've done a lot of street tuning. I haven't really done too many dyno pulls. Well, I did about 10 minutes ago. So we want to do just a couple pulls for you guys, show you what it's making. This is on just a wastegate spring, about a 12-pound spring. The car is seeing about 11 psi, and the dyno's seeing around 10 psi. This turbo probably needs to have a bar of boost or above, so we're out of the efficiency range of this turbo. But as we've talked about the whole series, part of this thing is to get data, to find out how things react differently with different setups, and to get a vast amount of knowledge for us and also for you. So we're gonna leave it at this amount, do a couple pulls for you, show you what it makes, and then we'll take it to vintage here. It may have already happened when this video comes out, but like the 20th of May, and we'll take that there and back. And then once we get back, I have a track day I'm doing on the May 30th, and then after that, we're gonna turn it up and see what she makes with more boost on this turbo. And then we'll probably try some different turbos and just kind of show how the different efficiency of different turbos work, okay? So, let's get to it. Okay, so that is just wastegate spring, no boost controller. So boost might be falling off just a little bit, and we're at pretty low level again for this turbo, but we made 260. I'd say that's pretty okay for 10 pounds of boost to the dyno, 11 pounds to the ECU, and no controlling of the wastegate. Just opens up and let it go. So we're gonna take it to vintage here on the, like I said, the 20th of May down in Asheville, North Carolina. And then after that, we'll do a track day, and then we'll start turning it up to see what kind of power it'll really make with much more potential. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like what you see, tell other people. Okay. We do have this ECU for sale on our website. We do have these turbo kits that we're working on. So if you want to set up that's very similar to this, get with us, and we'll help you out, because who doesn't like a little bit of turbo sounds? Have a good day, everybody. I'm Jake.